In this video, we will create a Spring Boot app, then expose metrics from it, and finally understand how monitoring tools collect them. I am creating a simple Spring Boot application through start.spring.io. The important dependency here is Spring Boot Actuator. It automatically exposes production-ready monitoring endpoints. I am adding Spring Web and Spring Boot Actuator dependencies here. In Spring Boot project, I'm creating a simple API, hello. Nothing fancy. Hello method returns string monitoring demo. And now let's add monitoring. Add actuator dependency if not already done while creating Spring Boot app. This dependency enables monitoring features without writing much code. Spring Boot starts exposing internal metrics. Now by default, not all endpoints are public. So we expose them for learning purposes. By adding management.endpoints.web.exposure.include property in application.properties. Now we run our app and Spring Boot exposes many production endpoints to view health, metrics, environment, thread information, and much more. These are all available metrics: JVM memory, CPU usage, request metrics, or thread metrics. All are generated automatically. To view all metrics available in app, URL is localhost 8080 actuator /metrics. Now to view specific metric, for example jvm.memory.used, the URL is actuator /metrics /jvm.memory.used. This tells how much memory application is consuming. Now hit API hello multiple times and then open URL localhost 8080 /actuator /metrics /http servers requests. Now notice request count is increasing. This is how application track traffic. In next video we will see how to add custom metrics in app.